Justin Bain, CEO, 3ME Technology. 3ME Technology does clean tech for tough industries. We're a battery technology company and systems integrator, and we electrify hard things like electric protected mobility vehicles for defence, underground mining vehicles included in hazardous areas and arduous duty cycles, and we're also focused on marine. It's a transition, and we're supporting that transition, with clean tech and with that goal towards net zero, as fast as possible. But we're supporting the mining industry. The mining industry is critical to the minerals that we're getting and the capability that we've been able to capitalise on with electrical infrastructure and skills and capabilities, and the manufacturing as well. We've actually been receiving huge export demand, really due to the global challenge of decarbonisation and the imperative of technologies, solutions. Right now we're laser focused on delivering on our Australian projects and commitments and scaling up our facility here. However, we certainly see a great opportunity to export this value overseas. The myth that we've busted, I think, has been deploying battery electric vehicles into underground mines and getting them into operations. It's not one or two people that have told us that that's not going to happen. It would be in the hundreds. And certainly for defence, we would say there's no way an armoured vehicle would ever be electric. And again, I think as opposed to trying to have the debates or prove the modelling or do the business case, it's a case of just do it, make it happen, and prove it in reality. The reason why we're here in the Hunter and in Lake Macquarie, it's a fantastic environment, certainly from a work-life balance. Not just because it's great surf and a great lifestyle, but also because the Hunter's got so much to offer with the talent that we've been able to get out of University of Newcastle. We've got partners here like Batmobile Equipment out at Tomago. They're doing large, heavy metal manufacturing with the vehicles and deploying those electrified loaders. Got everything we need at this stage for delivering clean tech for tough industries.